Okay, babes, so before the vlog even starts, I want to apologize for how short this vlog is. I definitely wanted to take a mini break and really just focus on relaxing over my spring break. But regardless, I want you guys to enjoy this vlog, and I will see you Saturday with a new video. Hello, honey buns. How are you guys? I am actually home, as you can see, because my room is a mess, and it's spring break. And if you guys were not on my live, then you probably didn't know, like, I was on spring break. I'm filming this on a Saturday, and normally I would be uploading on a Saturday, but I am not doing that this Saturday because I'm just on break and I really don't have any content to film for you guys. I don't have my equipment. I'm not in my normal setting. My room at home is like a literal mess just because I'm like never here. So yeah, but I figured I would vlog the majority of my weekend so that hopefully I can get a vlog out for you guys by Wednesday. So that's why I'm here. Also, I'm about to go to the gym, as you can tell, but I just got this new CeraVe like tinted moisturizer sunscreen, SPF 30, which is really nice. And like I will go ahead and insert like a video of me putting it on, but literally it looks so freaking good on my skin. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but my skin's looking really good lately. Like, I don't have texture. I just have some scars still. I have acne scars going on, but other than that, I just wanted to check in with you guys. I'm gonna get ready for the gym, and I'm just wearing my typical little gym fit, you know, leggings, not these shoes though, but leggings and my Walmart tops. And I'll probably check in with you guys when I'm in the car or at the gym and the rest of the weekend. Taking a little vlog quick.
A few moments later.
Hello everyone, it's 6:36 right now, and I just need a little midday, it's like evening, it's not midday, it's definitely evening coffee. But I just wanted to appreciate that it's almost 7 o'clock and it's still so light out. The sun is still out. I love that. I haven't even done my makeup today. Like, that's really tragic, but okay. So I'm gonna get my coffee, and I think me and Alexa are gonna hang out tonight, so that will be fun, and it'll just be nice to hang out there. I'm not heading back to school until like Monday or Tuesday, and it's, again, I said it's a Saturday today. I still have a few days left of my break because my classes are online this week. So